Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to register demo account on IC Markets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is go to the icmarkets.com and they will take you to their website, and after that you just have to go up here and click this one, the start trading, and it will take you to the application. Okay, so next is go to the demo account, and what we're gonna do, what you're gonna do is fill up this form. Okay, so here we're gonna put some Philippines here and put can. Okay, and say canhama.com and put a number here, 963 and just click submit, guys. And after that, guys, you need to go to your email, and you just have to activate your account, and after that you're good to go. So that's it, guys. I hope you learn and enjoy these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets global website. Thank you.